YouTube, Sandy Frank here, and today I'm going to be opening up one last hobby box of 2021 Topps Allen Ginter. I was going to stop on my last box, but I hate ending my Allen Ginter year on a 3 relic box, so I had to buy another box. And unfortunately, the price of this stuff is going up, so I had to pay more than what I did on my other boxes. But that's okay. It's just bad mojo to end your Allen Ginter year on a dud box. So, here we go. Hopefully we'll get a nice hit out of this. It'd be nice to get a rip card or an auto. And you never know, you get some kind of weird something, who knows, out of Allen Ginter. So we did get, I love these little N43 box loaders. Seems like I got a lot of these this year. Alex Kirilloff, so it's a rookie box topper, rookie card. Okay, I'm going to save my top packs, because a lot of times it seems like the hits are on top when you buy Allen Ginter stuff, so we'll save those packs. There's the odds. Never tell me the odds. Alright, Garrett Crochet, Brian Hayes rookie, Ichiro, Sulfur, Rangham, Stevenson rookie. We got one of these Far Far Away Caldwell minis, and Birds of a Feather Eclectus. Some say they flock together. We got Joe Carter. What if that's a short print? No. Baker, George Brett, Colton Wong, Upside Down, Lavelle, Rose Lavelle, Javier Baez. We got Bobby Monahan, and it's going to be one of these boxes, I can tell already. Hey, they do flock together because they're birds of a feather. And Bobby Monahan mini. Eddie Murray, Leo Kelly, Willie Mays, Yohan Moncada, Justin Verlander, Clayton Kershaw. We've got number 4, the White Spruce, and Eric Hosmer, A&G back mini. This pack is going to have another White Spruce. I'm going to call it right now. Brim, Pete Alonso, Zach Greinke, Anthony. We got Martinez, Patrick Corbin, Hank Aaron. I was wrong. We got Clayton Kershaw Murad card. This is going to have a White Spruce. Nope. We got Joey Votto, Tony Gonzalez, Aaron Judge, Jazz Chisholm rookie. We got Kyle Lewis, Kenta Maeda, Tanner Houck rookie Blackboard. That's pretty nice. And Sixto Sanchez rookie Murad card. This is going to have a White Spruce. No, I just got to quit saying it. We got A-Rod, Carlos Correa, Juan Gonzalez, Cal Ripken, Walker Texas Buehler, Aroldis Chapman, Joey Votto Black Border, and Juan Soto Murad card. Tom Seaver, Mickey Moniak, rookie, Mookie Betts, Jorge Soler, Tony Gwynn, Max Scherzer, those dog eyes, and I don't hit very many of these at all. World Leaders, Mattarella from Italy, and these guys are rallying back. Northern Elephant Seals. Okay, the next pack is going to have another one of those. It seemed like I always got the birds of a feather and then these other animal ones. So it wasn't the tree cards. So this is going to have a elephant seal pack card. Wow, look at that. Byron Buxton, Mark Canha, Dansby Swanson, Tristan McKenzie rookie, Willie Stargell, Rogers Hornsby, Dalton Varsho backwards mini, and look at that. Northern Elephant Seals. German Marquez, Duke Snyder, Ron Santo, Ramirez, Kyle Hendricks, Tim Anderson. We got Wood Jr. Mini, and a whale shark. That's pretty cool. Now we'll set this here. Are we going to get another whale shark? I don't know if it works with the shark cards. Jesus Luzardo, Hansen, the Beebs. Move these out of the way. It's starting to stack up on me. Ramon Laureano, Sterling Marte, Ketel Marte. I may never wear this headset again, or never put on this headset again. And Victor Robles, Black Border, Ken Griffey Jr. Historical hits card. Dylan Carlson rookie, Estevan Florial rookie, Ozzy Albies, Teoscar Hernandez, Kim, Carlos Delgado, Sammy Sosa, and Carrasco. That's a short print A&G back mini. Lucas Giolotto, Anthony Rizzo, Hank Aaron, Jan Basabe, Plesac, Aaron Boone, historical hit, Harold Baines mini. That's a short print mini. I'll just put that up. I don't think we're going to get another one of those. Freddie Freeman, Miguel Sano, Willie Castro, Ronald Acuna, Harmon Killebrew, Orlando Cepeda, Eloy Jimenez, and number 1, the Blue Spruce. Joe Adell rookie, Trevor Bauer, Jason Hayward, Altuve, Kyle Schwarber, Don Mattingly. We've got Ichiro Mini. That's an A&G back. And number 8, the Cherry Tree. I haven't seen that card yet. Short print. I don't think it is short print. Uh-oh. We got birds of a feather on the back. You know what that means. John Lester, Randy Johnson, Chipper Jones, Jonathan India rookie, Nagandi, Carl Yastrzemski. We got Matt Chapman and Greenwing Macaw. And you know what birds of a feather do. They flock together. In fact, they'll flock together in this pack. I almost guarantee you there's going to be a green wing macaw in this pack. Okay, I'm not even going to keep it like this. Nope, I was wrong. It has a Murad card. Cal Ripken Jr. Not Alan Trammell. Taylor Trammell rookie. Let's get this. Jonathan India rookie mini. That's cool. A&G back. Jose Ramirez. Young rookie. Justice Sheffield. Michael Conforto. And Brandon Woodruff. Brandon Woodruff, in 2018, he was my nemesis hit. I would get all kinds of Brandon Woodruffs, and back then I thought, man, that sucks. But he has been really good this year. Alex Vertigo, Ty Cobb, Nolan Arenado, Ian Anderson rookie, Pedro Martinez, Moises Alou. There's a Far, Far Away Proxima 8. B, not 8. And Bryce Harper Murad card. This is going to be a Greenlee McCaw. I feel it. We got rookie Varsho, Nick Nieder rookie, Bo Bichette, Tiana, Mike Moustakas, Fred McGriff, the Crime Dog. I love these. This is one of my favorite inserts minis this year. The world's largest. The General Sherman tree. So you can read about it right there. And I was wrong. It is a Joe Adell rookie. Looks like Joe Adell. Yep. Bo Naylor, Josh Naylor, Mike Piazza. Oh, there's a hit in this pack right here. Andrew Vaughn rookie. So the top packs weren't the hits; they were on the bottom. Blue Shark, Deep Sea Shiver. Luis Patino rookie. Kyle Hendricks and I think I have this one. Sterling Ketel Marte. It's a bat relic. It looks familiar anyway. Maybe I don't have it. I'll have to go check. But there's one of our hits, a relic card. So I'll go ahead and open these top 3 packs. They aren't going to have hits. Larry Walker, Daz Cameron. That's a rookie. David Price, Jose Canseco, Jared Walsh, Jordan Alvarez, Craig Biggio, Joe Morgan, historic hits. That was an A&G back, by the way. Trey Turner, William McCovey, Austin Hayes, David Peterson, D.D. Gregorius, Bob Feller. Oh, I mean, good for you, the apple. I agree, apples are good for you. And don't they say an apple a day keeps the doctor away? I mean, come on. And Steve Garvey. I love apples. Man, all these good for you food cards, they're all foods I like. So maybe I like good foods that are good for me. Spain, Derek Jeter, Tariq Skubal, Cody Bellinger, Eddie Matthews, John Crook. I don't remember that card. That is a short print. That's probably why. Ty Cobb and Brady Singer rookie mini. Okay, let's see what we get in this pack. We got Sonny Gray, Bryce Harper, Lorenzo Cain, Brooks Robinson. We got Anthony Rendon, mini. Hammerheads, Brooks Robinson, and Ooh, that's cool. There's writing on that relic there. It's not just white, it has writing on it. I can't read it though. But it is a Michelle Akers soccer player subject used relic. That'd be cool if it's like game used jersey or something. Not from any specific year or event though. But that's pretty nice. Definitely want to sleeve that. So please, let's not get the triple relic, dreaded triple relic box. Man, this pack feels really thin. Okay, let's see. We got Jeff Bagwell, Brian Anderson, Sam Huff rookie, Steven Strasburg, a White Rhino. They're rallying back. Ricky Henderson, Mini, and oh my gosh, we did it again. We got the dreaded triple full-size relic box again. JD Martinez bat relic. I don't have that one, but very disappointing when you get the triple relic box, and then especially disappointing when you get the full-size one, not even a mini framed one. But this is probably the best relic that I've gotten so far. Michelle Akers relic card. But, man, I guess this means I'm going to have to buy another box. I'll have to save up and get another one because I hate ending the year on stupid triple relic boxes. But maybe this should be telling me not to buy Ginter. But anyway, that was this box. Not very exciting with the relics, but always fun to open. And I hope if Topps doesn't get bought, I hope they do a Allen Ginter still after this, but who knows. They'll probably do one in 2022 for sure. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.